Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to Yoga with Christina, ChriskaYoga. Today we will be doing the third video in my Chakra Yoga series, Yoga for Your Chakras. This is all about the solar plexus chakra.
To learn more in depth about each chakra, where they're located, and the things that it governs within your body, you can check out my new book that is coming out on February 11th, 2020. It's called Essential Chakra Yoga. It is all about how to balance, heal, and energize the body and mind through the chakras and through yoga specifically designed for each chakra. It includes sequences and poses that are designed to balance and heal your body, and it's a great demystifying guide to the chakras and how to use them to your benefit. So I hope you check it out. The link to pre-order is in the description box below this video.
So I hope you enjoyed this one. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming yoga classes. And if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started.
Begin on your hands and knees and come to child's pose. Touch your big toes together, separate your knees apart, relax your torso over your thighs and bring your forehead to the floor, stretching your arms out in front of you. Hold here, coming inward and breathing deeply. Make your way up to a hands and knees position, bringing your shins parallel to one another and hands underneath your shoulders on the floor. Your spine is straight. On an inhale, tuck your toes and arch your back, coming into a cow pose. And on your exhale, curve your spine in the opposite direction, looking back behind you for a cat pose. Continue to move through cat and cow for several deep inhales and exhales. Come to lying on your belly. Point your elbows up towards the ceiling and hands are flat on the floor next to your ribs. On an inhale, lift your head and chest off the ground for a low cobra arch. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift it up, and exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up once more. Exhale, lower down. On your next inhale, lift your full torso off the ground for a full cobra arch. Try not to lock into your elbow joints. Reach energy up through the crown of your head and hold here. Exhale, bring your torso slowly back down onto the floor and come to sitting on the ground. Cross your right leg over your left, bending your legs, or you can keep your bottom leg straight. On an inhale, wrap your left arm around your right leg and bring your right arm behind you. Straighten your spine, and exhale, twist your upper body to the right, keeping your hip bones or sits bones even on the ground as you're twisting your upper body around. Hold here and breathe. Slowly unwind, switching legs, bringing the left over right, either bending the right leg or keeping it straight. Wrap your right arm around your left leg, bring your left arm behind you. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the left. Slowly unwind from your twist, come to lying flat on your back. We'll take our final pose, Shavasana. Separate your legs apart, relax them completely. Turn your palms up towards the ceiling. Close your eyes, come inward and deepen your breath. Breathing in and out through your nose. Hold here. Bring some slow and gentle motion back into your body, gently moving your limbs. And when you're ready, roll to the right side and rest there with your arm under your head for support. Use your hands to help you press yourself up to a seated cross-legged position, crossing your shins. Flex your feet, bring your hands to your legs, and sit up tall. Take a deep breath in and out through your nose. And bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Give me any questions you might have. I always love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new yoga videos coming up. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at ChriskaYoga and my website ChriskaYoga.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.